Hey, tax prep training for beginners. This course is free for now. I don't know how long I'm gonna have it up. It's probably gonna be based on how many people sign up for the free course. That's gonna motivate me to keep it up even longer. But definitely for the first quarter, I'll leave it up to see how many people sign up for the free course and take advantage of it and reach out to me with questions, concerns about the course. This is not a traditional course that you probably ran across before, where you get the practice problems and they give you all the different names and social security numbers and data to plug in to create the practice problem. This is not that. This is here to design. This is designed this way on purpose to have you to be more creative and imaginary when it comes to putting together these practice problems, either through the software or either doing them by hand. So that's how this course is created. You might have some down the road where I will give you more detailed, oriented information to plug in where you don't have to guess and figure it out for yourself. But for right now, it's designed for you to put your own name, put your own address, put your own socials in there to get you started. And then down the road, I'll more likely probably throw 10 in there that'll have more detailed information, but it won't be too many because I want you to learn how to prepare your own individual income taxes, be more creative and imaginary when it comes to taking these practice problems and learning how to be knowledgeable and skillful in the art of tax preparation, software training, and marketing and sales. Those are the three main focuses that I focus on with helping my new students who want to make a career and business in this awesome career industry of tax preparation and taxation get started. Thank you for joining this awesome training course for beginners and look forward to talking to you later.